Hello. How are you, friends? I welcome you to ifactner.com HTML5 and CSS3 tutorial series, and in this tutorial series we will be making a full functional website, and these tutorials are aimed at the beginners to intermediate level programmers who have been developing the websites or who are new to the website development. So it is better if you know some HTML tags and how cascading style sheets work, but if you do not know how do they work, I will be telling you in the tutorials. So in these tutorials we will be using the new HTML5 tags to build our website, and some of the tags which we will be discussing in detail in our tutorials are the header tag, the nav tag for navigation, the section tag, article tag, a site tag, footer tag for the footers, and H group for heading grouping in HTML5. And in CSS3 we will be focusing on some of the more specific properties in CSS3, and those properties include float, display, vertical align, list style display, and other CSS3 properties. And we will be using a mockup to develop our website and to discuss about the new tags in HTML5, and in the end we will be making a site like this. This site would have 3 links: home, tutorials, and contact me section or the web pages, and this mockup shows the index.html page of our website. So friends, let's begin with the discussion on the new tags in HTML5. The older version of HTML, that was HTML 4.1, was not updated since 2001. In 2004, W3C Worldwide Consortium formed a group named WHATWG, and during that period a new standard for HTML, that was XHTML 1.0, was introduced, but it used a strict method, so people were making a lot of mistakes and they were just following the HTML 4.0 standard that was more lenient. So in 2004 they started looking at the websites, and they found that most of the websites had some sections in common, and those sections were the header section, a navigation section, a sidebar either on the left or on the right, the main section containing the main content of the website, and the footer section. So they decided to introduce some new tags in HTML5. Before the introduction of HTML5, people and the programmers were using the division tags to form those sections, but the group decided to introduce header tag for the header section, nav tag for the navigation to form the links so people would be able to navigate through the website, a sidebar with a side tag, a main section containing the section tag, and different articles within the main section, and those articles were represented by the article tag. And as usual, we can see that most of the websites have got the footer section, and we use footer tag to do our task in HTML5. So guys and girls, this was the introductory tutorial number 1 of HTML5 and CSS3 tutorial. In the next tutorial, we will be developing our template, and we will be developing an external style sheet, and we will be linking our page with that external style sheet, and we will be using these tags in our next tutorial. So I will see you in the next tutorial. Take care. Bye bye.